Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video guys, I'm going to exercise for my backbone, for my back, and I'm using this corrector device. Nakalimutan ko na yung exact name. Kasi ito guys, marami kayo itong nakita online na ganito guys. Mura lang ito, affordable sa lahat. And let's do this. You can do this 5 minutes a day kung may time ka. Morning or before bedtime kung wala kang oras sa araw. And just lay down. I have tight here. Maybe sa pagkatulog ko. I'm going to go up because I have very tight on my left back. So, ayan. Just stay for a couple of minutes. And you do like hands like this. But either feel you are comfortable. But I feel comfortable my hands over my head. If you cannot find this kind of device, guys, you can use your pillow or a bath towel, roll it and lay on it. I'm tight here. This is starting when I wake up. Feel the tight. Heels. So you can do it 5 minutes or 3 minutes a day. Depende sa time na vacant ka guys. You can move your body like you are massaging your back. Okay guys, that is it. As I have said, if you don't have this kind of device, you can use pillow or bath towel. Roll it. Or just squeeze my back. I feel good with this position. Okay, that is it. I'll see you in my next exercise. Thank you so much for watching and please follow me. And I feel good now.